Imagine for a moment that your deepest desires and wildest dreams are not just fleeting thoughts, but powerful energy currents capable of shaping your reality. What if the very essence of money and success isn't just about hard work and luck, but also about the energy you channel into the universe? This isn't just a mystical fantasy. It's a profound realization that everything in our lives, including our thoughts, desires, and financial flows, is interconnected through energy. Desires are not merely wants, they are powerful dreams with an energy that propels us forward. When we dream of a future state or a goal, that dream becomes imbued with a unique energy signature, which begins to influence our reality. This energy is not static. It evolves and grows as we feed it with more thoughts and emotions, becoming a dynamic force in our lives. As we understand and respect the energy of our desires, we learn to use it wisely, pushing us towards our goals and dreams. Thoughts are not just mental activities, they are energetic impulses. Every thought we generate emits a vibration that affects our energy field and, by extension, our life's path. The direction in which we channel our thoughts influences where this energy flows. Positive, focused thoughts tend to attract positive outcomes, while scattered, negative thoughts can lead to less desirable results. Understanding this can empower us to consciously direct our thoughts in ways that benefit us the most. Money, a critical aspect of our lives, is also a form of energy influenced greatly by our perceptions. If we believe money is scarce, that belief creates an energy of lack, which can hinder its flow towards us. On the other hand, viewing money as abundant and something that can be generously shared can encourage a more positive financial energy to flow into our lives. Thus, changing our perceptions about money can significantly affect how it flows in and out of our lives. Our belief system is like the operating system of our personal energy flow. If we believe we are not deserving of happiness or success, our energy aligns with these beliefs, potentially blocking positive energies. Conversely, positive beliefs about ourselves and our capabilities can enhance our energy flow, aligning us more closely with our goals and dreams. It is crucial, therefore, to cultivate a belief system that supports rather than hinders our energy flow. Our inner drive is a powerful source of energy. When we tap into this drive, we fuel our desires and goals with a relentless energy that is hard to stop. Techniques such as visualization and goal setting can help strengthen this inner drive, turning it into a formidable force that propels us forward. This inner energy is vital for overcoming obstacles and reaching our highest potential. It's essential to periodically stop and observe where our thoughts and energies are concentrated. This observation allows us to understand the current pattern of our energy flow. If we find that our energy is not aligned with our desires, we can take deliberate steps to redirect it. This might involve changing our thought patterns, adjusting our goals, or shifting our emotional responses. Strategic redirection can transform our energy flow into a more beneficial state. Every thought and emotion we have acts like a magnet, attracting similar energies. This principle is rooted in the science of quantum physics, which explains that like energy attracts like energy. By understanding this, we can more deliberately shape the energies we emit and, consequently, the energies we attract. This understanding can fundamentally change how we interact with the world and pursue our goals. According to many spiritual and philosophical traditions, everything in the universe, including us, is created from divine energy. This energy is vibrant, creative, and infinite. Recognizing that we are part of this divine blueprint can help us realize the limitless potential within us. It encourages us to live fully and create magnificently, using our innate energies. This perspective can transform our approach to life and heighten our experiences. To harness and effectively use our energy, we must take practical steps. This can include meditation to clear and focus our minds, affirmations to reinforce positive energies, and mindfulness to maintain an awareness of our energy states. Experimenting with these techniques can allow us to find what best helps us connect with and utilize our personal energy. By actively working with our energy, we can create the reality we desire and move towards a life filled with achievement and fulfillment. In conclusion, understanding and harnessing the energies of our thoughts, desires, and financial beliefs can lead to profound changes in our lives. By aligning our energies with our dreams and taking conscious action, we unlock the potential to not only achieve, but to exceed our expectations. Remember, energy is not just a part of life, it is life itself. As we master our energies, we master our destinies.